In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Classic View on Salesforce. If you're working in Salesforce and need the familiar layout for a legacy workflow or a feature that's easier to find in the old interface, switching from Lightning Experience to Salesforce Classic is quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and I'll also point out what you should expect to see so you know you're in the right place. Start by signing into Salesforce and making sure you're in Lightning Experience. Lightning is the modern interface, so if your screen has a clean, contemporary look with a left-hand navigation menu or a grid-style app launcher, you're in the right place. If you're already logged in, there's nothing additional you need to open or configure first. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. Depending on your setup, this might show your photo, your initials in a small circle, or a generic user icon. It sits in the same row as the global search bar and notifications, so it's easy to spot. Click that avatar to open your personal menu. In the menu that appears, find and click the option labeled Switch to Salesforce Classic. The wording is consistent, so it should read exactly like that. The moment you select it, Salesforce will process the change right away. There's no confirmation screen or extra dialogue to accept, so be ready for the interface to refresh. You'll be taken immediately into the Classic interface. Visually, you'll notice Classic uses a more traditional layout. Tabs running across the top, and in many orgs a left-hand sidebar with shortcuts or recent items. You'll typically land on the Classic homepage, and from there you can navigate to Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities, Reports, and any other tabs your profile allows. This switch affects only your view, not your data, so all your records and permissions remain the same. They're simply presented in the Classic layout. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Switch to Salesforce Classic option in your profile menu, your organization may have restricted access to Classic. That's normal in some environments, especially where teams are standardizing on Lightning, so reach out to your Salesforce administrator if the option isn't available. Also, after switching, give the page a moment to fully load. If your browser caches heavily, a brief refresh can help the Classic tabs and sidebar icons appear correctly. That's all there is to it. With just a click from your profile menu, you're now working in Salesforce Classic.